Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can integrate Git Bash and GitHub so that we can start using Git commands such as git clone, git push from our machine to interact with our GitHub repositories. I'm performing this demo on a Windows machine, but the commands for Linux and Mac machines are also listed in this notepad file. So first thing you need to get is this notepad file. It is linked in the video description. In order to see whether you have Git already installed, you can simply type this command git hyphen hyphen version. And if you're on Linux, you need to install Git using this command. If you're in a Windows system, which we are, we need to simply get the file from here. So just copy this link, open your favorite browser and paste this link. And once you paste this link, you will see it will open to click here to download. So you can simply download this. I already have downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again, but you can download the same. Now after downloading it, as you can see, it will be available in my exe folder. So as you can see, I have Git already downloaded, so I'm simply going to click on this, and it's asking me, do you wish to install it? For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to install it properly. So first we are given the license agreement. We just need to next. I've selected all these checkboxes. Next, 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 and all of these simply you need to do next. There are quite a few options over here. We have experimental options. I don't see the need for them. After we do this, we just need to toggle the checkboxes and launch git bash. So now the next step is to simply copy this command and paste it here. And remember, Control C, Control V is disabled, so you have to use the shortcuts Control Insert and Shift Insert, or you can simply right click and do cut copy paste. You need to enter your username here. After that, you can enter your email here with which your GitHub is registered. And also, yes, a prerequisite for this video is that you need to create a GitHub account. And now we need to check whether we already have any SSH files or not. As you can see, I already have an SSH file, but since you probably do not have an SSH file, we are going to discuss about the key generation. So copy this command and paste it here. And once we paste this, you can simply type your email ID. And once it asks enter the file in which you want to save the key, just type enter. And for me, since this file already exists, it's asking me to overwrite it. So I'll click yes. And now enter passphrase, just keep it as empty and again click enter, and it has been saved to this particular URL. After this, we need to copy the file. So, and I'm assuming that the file name is idrsa.pub. You need to change the commands based on what your file name is if you have saved it differently. Continuing, in Windows system, we need to copy this command. In Linux system, we need to copy these two commands. And in Mac, we need to copy this single command. So since we are on a Windows system, let's continue. And now the command has been copied to our clipboard. Now we will open Chrome, and in Chrome or whatever browser you have, simply sign into your GitHub. As you can see, I've already signed into my GitHub. Now we are going to click on settings, and there will be an option of SSH and JPG key. Simply click on new SSH key, add the title and paste. So over here Control V will work, and just to know, you have to see that there is an SSH written on top and there is Arshdeep the Great written here, or whatever email ID you have. Add SSH key, and as you can see, the SSH key has been added. It says that we have never used the key, so let's try using the key right now. Simply click on any repository that you have. I have this repository. Click on code And as you can see, the SSH key has opened. Copy this SSH key and we will keep it for reference. Another last command just to make sure that we have authenticated properly is to type this command. As you can see, it says, hi, you have successfully authenticated. So let's open desktop. This is where I want to clone my repository. Over here, I'm simply going to open CMD and type git clone, and I already copied the URL, so I'm going to paste the URL. Now I'm going to change into this repository and I'm going to open it in VS Code so that we can edit and we can see whether we have actually authenticated properly or not. So as you can see, there are some files here. I'm simply going to open one of the files and I'm just going to make a very basic change such as one enter. Now this change, even though it looks very small, as you can see the M has come. M means the file has modified. So let's go back here and type git status. As you can see, git status is done. So now we can type git add dot. So this will add all the changes. Git commit minus M refers to the message, and over here we need to just type modification or whatever you want to type. I'm just typing a very basic command, and then after that we need to type git push. Over here is where the magic happens, and we can actually check whether we have connected properly to our GitHub repository or not. Enter. As you can see, we have got this resolving deltas 100%, and if we go back we can see that there is a new commit. So the previous commit was on August 9th. Today it is 24th November. Let's reload and we can see that we have had a commit 43 seconds ago, which is perfectly fine. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video.